In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the My Day list in Microsoft To Do. My Day is a simple feature in Microsoft To Do that helps you stay focused on what matters right now. Instead of looking at every task you have across all your lists, My Day gives you a clean space for the tasks you want to pay attention to today. It's especially useful if you want to plan your day quickly and avoid feeling overwhelmed by a longer task list. To get started, open Microsoft To Do and go to the My Day section. Once you're there, you'll see a dedicated area designed for your daily priorities. This is where you can create a short, manageable list of the things you want to complete today. Keeping this list realistic can make it much easier to stay productive and actually finish what you planned. Next, click into the task entry field in My Day and type the task you want to add. As you enter your task, try to keep the wording clear and specific so it's easy to understand later at a glance. For example, instead of writing something vague, it's often better to phrase the task in a way that tells you exactly what needs to be done. Once you've typed it in, press enter to add it to your My Day list. That's all it takes to create a task in My Day. After you press enter, the task will appear in the list, ready for you to review and work on. You can continue adding more tasks the same way if you have a few priorities for the day. A helpful tip here is to avoid overloading My Day with too many items. Since this list is meant to guide your focus, it works best when it contains only the tasks you genuinely plan to tackle today. Using My Day regularly can help you build a simple daily planning habit. At the start of the day, you can add the tasks you want to focus on, and throughout the day, you can return to the list to stay on track. It's a straightforward but effective way to organize your attention and create a clearer plan for your work. So, to recap, you open the My Day section in Microsoft To Do, type a task into the entry box, and press enter to add it. From there, your daily task list starts to take shape, giving you a focused view of what you want to accomplish. If you keep the list clear and intentional, My Day can become a very useful tool for everyday productivity.